How's everybody doing today? Mike the Scavenger here, just enjoying a little time off, getting caught up on some things around the storage unit and you know, just personal stuff that I had to get taken care of. But I figured I'd make a little video for you guys today. As you can see, I've been doing a little wood cutting here. We've been working on the bench. I think I just about got her fixed up. What y'all think? Not too shabby, huh? Yeah, so now we got this going, I can start streamlining, you know, like the scrapping in the building and such. And then back here, I got to give me some shelves. We won't even go back there right now. But anyways, I'm gonna build this little table today. I had this crazy idea that someone had, well, I didn't have the idea. Somebody mentioned it on the video to use this table as like a stripping stand, which is awesome, totally awesome, because it's adjustable. You know, it goes up and down. It's pretty sturdy for the most part, but this, where's this thing? Oh yeah, yeah. See, it adjusts. I mean, it comes up a pretty good deal. So, what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna have a stripping station slash grinding and whatever station. You know, I'm gonna attach this and have that all in one little mobile table. So yeah, because we're in this little storage unit, you know, we gotta think small and compact as much as we can. So what we're gonna do, I got some wood. I'm not sure if I'm gonna try using this 3/4 back here. I found it on by a dumpster or something, or I might have something back there. But yeah, we're gonna build just a sturdier top here and then mount it all there. So that being said, let's get her. Ow! Copper, 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 copper! Ow, y'all, ow! Yeah, you see how the little, do this over a bucket, but you see how some of the little pieces are coming off? That's because I cut a little too deep, but I mean, sometimes, you know, if you don't cut deep enough, it's hard to tear, but you know, if you just do it over a bucket, all the little pieces will just fall. They'll fall, well, if I can get it there. Come on, Mike. Come on, Mike. Alrighty. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, we'll cut that little piece off, but bam. So yeah, little table here. Do some, you know, grinding, buffing, polishing, what have you. Woohoo! Not bad for free. Well, except for these, but hey, pretty awesome. What we got here, y'all? Scrappity, scrap, scrap.